Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be explaining you science behind a great marketing skill that has been used for years and you might be unaware of it. That red netted bags are usually used for oranges, and a pink knitted bag are used for onions. So this marketing trick is basically that this is upon us because we tend to perceive colors than we actually see it, and like we see the same color differently under different lighting conditions. And this phenomenon was first discovered by a German scientist called William von Bezold, and he told this appearance of colors under different lighting conditions to be called as Munger white illusion. So whenever you, and this becomes very interesting when two colors interact with each other, like you can see in this video that I have recorded. In this, the cube are having different colors under different lighting conditions. The colors appear different when they are under different lighting conditions. And also this is a very so what happens is when you see an orange inside a red netted bag or an onion in a pink netted bag, it appears to be more vibrant, which makes it appear more fresh, which might not be the case in reality. It's just that how we perceive it, and it's obvious that when we see that the colors are more vibrant, we tend to relate it with freshness of the vegetable. So whenever you see a red netted bag orange, that might not be as fresh as it actually is. It is basically because of this genius marketing skill used by companies in order to increase revenues. So I just wanted to tell this short piece of information that I had. And thank you for watching my video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Thank you.